process of writing a book about becoming a virtual assistant and how you can do so. I'm Alyssa Avant, longtime virtual assistant and owner of Alyssa Avant and Company. It's a virtual assistant agency, and I want to share with you just a little snippet of this book as I'm writing it. I thought it would be fun to share snippets from the book to get you excited about it and hopefully make you interested in purchasing it when it comes out, but also to let you know a little bit about what I do. I help women who want to become virtual assistants to use their talents and gifts and skills to make money from home. So this is from working chapter number 5. I don't know if this is exactly how the chapters will turn out, but this is from the chapter on choosing your target market and your niche. And I just thought I would read a little snippet from today's rough draft. So as a child, I dreamed of one day becoming a published author. I was an avid reader, and I spent a great deal of time at the local library. I would walk up and down the rows and be in awe of the books and the authors. One of my favorite series was The Babysitter's Club. Between the library and the bookstore, I read every book in that series. The author of that series was Anne M. Martin, and she became one of my heroes. I wrote her a letter once and was elated when I received a response in the mail. Because authors meant so much to me and I dreamed of becoming one, I have followed them closely over the years. As a result, when I was looking to niche down my business and serve a particular target market, authors became a natural option for me. So when choosing a target market, it's important that you choose a specific group of people that need the services that you have to offer. We spoke briefly about this in the last chapter, which y'all haven't heard, but I believe that choosing a target market and choosing services go hand in hand. You cannot really make one decision without the other. You must consider whom you are wishing to serve before you really can make the decision about your services. After all, you don't want to choose a set of services that are not for the target market that you are hoping to have. So, the first thing I want you to consider is your own background. What industries do you have personal experience in? For me, that answer was clear. You could tell that from that first opening paragraph, right? But I had spent years reading books, following authors, and dreaming of becoming one myself. So that experience made the publishing world feel like home. You will also want to think about the types of conversations and people that energize you. When you're at an event, what type of people are you drawn to? For me, it was always authors, speakers, and coaches, and I understood their mission, and I liked that I was able to come alongside them on that mission and help to support what they were doing. If you've enjoyed this sneak peek of my upcoming book, I hope that you will like this, you'll come back and follow, you'll subscribe, and I will be sharing more as we go along. Thanks!